let's review how to solve a linear equation. So if you have an equation like this, 3x plus 9 is equal to 21, we want to figure out what value of x makes this equation true. So what we need to do is have at the end of whatever work we do, x equals a value. So what we want to do is isolate the x so that it's all by itself on one side and we have a number on the other side. So in order to do that, looking at this side here with the x on it, we would like to get rid of this positive 9 so that we are closer to isolating the x. So what we want to do is undo the positive 9 from this side. So to undo the positive, we use a negative. So we'll subtract 9 from both sides of the equation so that it remains balanced. So then 9 minus 9 turns into 0, so we have 3x on this side, equals 21 minus 9, which is 12. Now we finish isolating the x by undoing this multiplication times 3 here. To undo multiplication, we do division. So let's divide both sides by 3. And that cancels out the 3 over here, leaving us with an x equals 12 divided by 3 is 4. Let's try a harder one. 3 times x minus 2/3 equals 21 plus x. All right, so again, we want to get x by itself. The first thing we need to do is distribute this 3 so that we can get rid of the parentheses. So 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 2/3 is negative 2. Okay, now we have an x on both sides of the equation. So let's subtract an x from both sides so that we only have x's on one side of the equation. So now we have 2x minus 2 is equal to 21. Just like we did over here, we want to undo this subtraction so that we only have 2x on this side of the equation. So let's add 2 to both sides, which gives us 2x equals 23. And now we can divide both sides by 2. And we are left with x equals 23 over 2. You can leave the answer like this, or you can write it as a mixed number, so that would be 11.5, or you can write it as a decimal.